This class will be talking about alkenes. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but yeah. What are alkenes? Alkenes are hydrocarbon molecules that contain one or more carbon triple bond. Alkane are among the main functional group of organic compound that contain at least one carbon triple bond. And here are the properties. Now, the chemical properties are salicylic, acidic in nature, and unreactive with water molecules. Real life application. The tools that gas whether they use to cut or shape metals, it is used from pure oxygen, which is properly called ethane. That word. And propane is used for rocket propulsion. Pentine is one of the constitutional isomers and it is used in the production of plastics. Same with butene, it is used in production of plastics and it is also part of the constitutional isomers. How to name it? Step 1, you need to identify the root. Once you identify the root, you can move to identifying the suffix. And once you do that, you can identify the prefix. And once you do that, you can just combine everything together. And now, how do we name this compound? We're going to follow the same steps that we did with the other one. So first, we're going to identify the root. And then we're going to identify the suffix. And then we're going to identify the prefix. And then we're going to name the compound. So for this, the root is going to be the longest chain that includes a triple bond of 5 carbon atoms, so the root is pentyl. The suffix is using the lowest number. We're going to use the lowest number. And for the prefix, there's methyl group of carbon atom 3, so that the prefix is 3-methyl. To name the compound is 3-methyl-1-YN. I can't really pronounce this word. And there's how to draw it. Pretty much follows the same guideline as the how to name it. Just add one more extra steps. But first, identify the root. Second, you have to identify the suffix. Third, you have to draw and number the main chain. Fourth, you have to identify the prefix and draw side groups. And fifth, you have to make sure each carbon atom has 4 bonds. Here it is. This is how we draw this compound. First of all, like I said, we identify the suffix and then you draw and number the main chain. And after you do that, you identify the prefix and draw any side groups. And third, add enough hydrogen atoms to give each carbon dioxide 4 bonds, because it needs 4 bonds. The isomers. Constitutional isomers and stereoisomers. So what are those? Constitution isomers are molecules that have the same molecular formula, but the atoms are bound together in a different sequence. Which is what we're doing, which is alkynes. Alkynes is a constitutional isomers. And the other one is stereoisomers. Stereoisomers can form multiple bonds with other carbon atoms. And no, alkyne is not a stereoisomers. Here are the sources. Thank you for watching video. I'll see you next time.